Call me crazy, but the holidays are creeping up on us, and after the last few years we've had, I think it's time we talk about holiday gifts realistically. So, I'll just say it. Dude, it's okay to take a break. I don't know about the rest of the world, but where I'm from, which is 2021 America, we've kind of built up this expectation of insane gift giving. Does anyone else feel this weird unspoken pressure to get everyone in their lives a super unique to them gift for the holidays? And not only that, but a more thoughtful and more unique to them gift than last year's was? Sheesh, that's a lot of pressure, and often a lot of money. So this year I am giving you permission to let yourself off the hook a little bit. Yes, you're welcome. The girl from the internet you've never met before is giving you permission. Kinda weird, none taken, but someone had to do it. So let me list just 5 totally acceptable gifts to give your family and friends this year. None of them will break the bank, all will be enjoyed, and the holidays will indeed go on. First, simple baked goods. Everyone loves food. Everyone. If someone walked into this room right now and brought me a chai or a cookie, I might just cry. Case A, can you even remember the last time someone brought you a plate of freshly baked cookies? It's kind of like this magical holiday ritual we all traded in for luxury soaps and gift cards. Case B, when you give someone a plate of a dozen home-baked cookies, you're not just giving them one gift, you're giving them 12. They may choose to consume them all at the same time, but hey, 12 is 12. I think you just won Christmas, my friend. Second idea, give them an annotated copy of your favorite book. Listen, your favorite book is your favorite for a reason, and you know who favorite books should be shared with? Favorite people. But what makes this gift so special and so unique is that you're leaving your mark on it in a way literally no one else could. Leave notes in the margins, underline your favorite lines, maybe doodle on some pages or lightly color the background, leave them a reason to giggle, a thought to be inspired by, maybe you circle the spots where your tears stain the page. Fun, affordable, and maybe even free. Third, a prepaid date. A special gift, especially for those in your life you haven't been able to spend enough time with. In your best calligraphy or cursive or chicken scratch, work up a card inviting them to coffee or a lunch date with the pre-chosen day, time, and place. You can always reschedule it later if the time and date don't work for them, but part of the gift is that they don't have to think about it or plan it at all. You made all the decisions for them, you're paying the ticket, and all they have to do is show up. Luxury. Fourth, a portable wireless nitro-speed optical gold-encrusted phone charger. I'm just kidding. A plant. What better gift than the gift of purified air? Fact, studies have proven that houseplants improve concentration and productivity, reduce stress levels, and boost your mood. I don't know by what percentage, but studies have shown. You are giving them the gift of life for $7.99. Or for free. You just re-gift one of your plants or pot some rooted cuttings. It's okay, I won't tell. Also, I will testify to the fact that I never understood plants until I was given one. I don't even know if I was watering it too much or too little, but one day a new leaf popped and I was like a new parent. I was so freaking proud. Gosh, really brings me back. So now I have 32 plants, okay. And fifth, a bottle of wine. Whoa, Hannah, we're talking cheap. That's not cheap. Oh baby, I'm talking barefoot pink Moscato for $5.99. Heck, throw in a red Moscato while you're at it, and a white Moscato. I don't even know what Moscato is, but I like it. And bonus, if they're not wine drinkers themselves, it's a totally easy and socially acceptable gift to re-gift or take to a dinner party. And now you just gave them the gift of giving them a gift to give to someone else as a gift. I don't know the science behind what I just said, but wow. 2 birds with 1 scone, man. 2 birds. Oh, and a little bonus gift idea for the kiddos. Give them their own box of their favorite treat that they have your special permission to not share with anyone else. Don't worry, parents, you can still oversee it. But my nephews melt when you give them their own bag of goldfish or box of that ice cube gum kids are obsessed with, because you're giving them the gift of ownership as well, in addition to a treat. It's a big deal to have something that's all yours as a kid, especially if that kid has a lot of siblings they constantly have to share with. Ask me how I know this. So there you have it, your perfectly affordable and maybe even free Christmas. No shipping, no pandemic back ordering, just a simple gift to say, I love you and I want you to know that. And if the holidays always seem to catch you off guard financially, there's no better time than now to take a whack at a free 34-day trial with YNAB Budget. Build your holiday gift fund all year long with the YNAB app and avoid that sudden splurge you always seem to face in December. To learn more about YNAB Budget, check out the description box below for some helpful links and videos on how to gain total control of your money. Thanks for watching, happy almost holidays, and happy budgeting.